All right, so we're getting ready for going camping. Crucial thing, take our gas with us. And of course, it comes with a couple of bottles, all right? They give you 4 of them containing. These will last you pretty much the whole campground, all right? For a whole day or 2, depends on how many meals you do, all right? Now, I do have my little stove. We're gonna test it out, see how well it works with this thing, and see how hot it could heat up the water, all right? And we're gonna make some coffee with this. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and set this up right now. We're gonna take out the cap, all right? And then there's actually indentations, all right? Right there, indentations, all right? All right, we just got our canister in. There's a canister. We're gonna heat up our water, all right? You gotta put your water in here. It's gonna heat up our water and it's ready to go. Look at that. Heat up the water right away. Our water to it. I just took it out from there. I want to spill it. Next time you go camping, take 1 or 2 of these and you can make your coffee, your breakfast, your dinner, your lunch, pretty much on the go. It will last you for many hours, depending on the usage, all right? If you have it on high, it's gonna last you less, but you have a low heat. If you're making coffee just like I did, you could make 1,000 cups, all right? So next time you go camping, you can take this. So hope you guys enjoy the video.